Autumn 2018 is really hotting up for smartphones, and Honor wants to play its part too. With its new device, the 8X, the Huawei spin-off is really coming into the market here. I'm David for AndroidPIT, and this is our Honor 8X hands-on. Let's start with the most striking part of this device, that display. It's really nice and big on the Honor 8X, it's a full 6.5 inches. Just think back to the first Android tablets, most of them had 7-inch displays. That's right, our smartphones now are only half an inch away from what we used to call a tablet. Thanks to the slim edges around the screen, which most smartphones will have this autumn, the Honor 8X is still quite handy. The display occupies 91% of the front of the phone, and that's a very decent screen-to-body ratio in my book. With a resolution of 2340 by 1080 pixels, the Honor 8X offers slightly better picture quality than Full HD. The pixel density is 397 ppi. Nothing to blow you away, on paper at least, but absolutely fine for a mid-range smartphone, which is exactly what the Honor 8X is. Another highlight of the 8X is the design. The glass back looks seductively good, especially on the blue version. In black, it's a little more understated, and some would say even boring. The Honor 8X will eventually come in red as well, and the product pictures look really good in this colour. So the 8X is not a small smartphone, and you'll need to use both hands to use it. At 175 grams, it weighs in quite nicely, and at 7.8mm thick, the smartphone is on the slim side. The fingerprint sensor on the Honor 8X is positioned centrally on the back, whilst the dual camera, featuring a 20MP and a 2MP lens, is over to one side. The camera uses AI-based object recognition and can distinguish between 500 objects from 22 categories. For your selfies, the new Honor smartphone has a 16MP front-facing camera. There's no 4K video recording on the Honor 8X. Inside, we've got a Kirin 710 octa-core processor and 4GB of RAM. The internal storage is either 64 or 128GB depending on the model. It can also be expanded with a micro SD card. The Honor 8X can also accommodate 2 nano SIM cards supporting true dual SIM plus memory expansion. Honor even had room left over for a headphone jack. There's no USB-C port, so you'll have to make do with good old micro USB. The battery in the Honor 8X has a capacity of 3650 mAh. With the rest of the equipment, this should easily be enough to survive a day or even more without recharging. When you do need more juice, charging from 0 to 100% takes 2.5 hours according to Honor. The 8X launches with Android 8 Oreo and Huawei's EMUI 8. The Honor 8X starts at €249, and in the US it will probably be a sub $300 phone. For that price, it's a good total package, and that large display will really help it stand out from the crowd. If you enjoyed this video, leave us a like and subscribe to our channel.